Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's an evening foot care routine, so we are unwilling together, guys. This kind of a video is just slow, taking time and just listening to our mind and the sounds of the water as we splash them on the feet. So you don't want to miss this, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. So after a long day, like, we are tired, our muscles are tired. I know, yeah, I can feel it. I can see you the way you are tired. So you just need to soak in. So warm water is going to help the muscles of your feet to just relax. You can use herbs that you have, or you can use anything that you'd want to soak your feet with, because we all love different kind of things. So for me, I'm just using warm water, some shampoo in there, some salt in there, yeah, and that is what I'm doing. Then you can grab some coffee, tea, or you can be reading a book, because we are not in a hurry to go anywhere. We are just taking time. So the smearing of the soap in the feet, it just feels so magical. Like, we are just appreciating these feet. They have been calling us throughout the day. Like, can you imagine that? Imagine. Yeah, so then after that, I'm going in with my stone just to remove the dead skin and the dirt. Today, not really the dead skin, just to ensure that I'm cleaning the feet. I'm not here to remove the dead skin and all that. Like, it's just a foot care. But if the dead skin comes out, well and good, but it's not intense like we are doing a pedicure. Yeah, so it's just a foot care, all a self-care evening routine. So we'll move in the dirt slowly. And this is one thing that is going to help your feet in really staying smooth, soft, and looking pretty the next day. So stay tuned, be with me, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment. Let me know in the comment section, what do you do to just relax after a very long day? Like, what your foot care routine, what do you do to take care of that foot? Then I'm going in with my DIY body scrub. This is what I'm going to scrub the feet. So we want to smear these on the feet, listening to our mind, just unwitting. So you don't want to fail to do this, because this is going to help even with your mental health. I mean it. Trust me. Try this and you will thank me later. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this? Because as for me, I'm really enjoying this. I'm enjoying doing this. I really love doing this. Like, you can tell, right? Yeah, I know you can tell. So guys, check out my YouTube channel for more pampering videos, foot care routine, pedicure, nail care, all that. Check out my videos. I upload videos on Wednesdays, Thursday, and on Fridays. Yeah, unless otherwise, yeah. And don't forget about the area around your nails, because they also need some care. They also need to be taken care of. Even though they already have the polish, you still need to take care of them, because why not? Yeah, so please make sure that you are taking care of them. Okay, yeah, just scrub everywhere whenever you feel like you can do this. And you can set a station like this one to do all this, or you can decide to do all this in your bedroom. Whenever you want to do this, just ensure that you're taking care of yourself wherever you want, whether outside, inside, in the bedroom, or setting up a place to do this, like I've done. Then I'm going in with my gloves. So this is just for more exfoliation. Yeah, for more exfoliation. And the soap that I'm using is goat milk soap. It also helps in the brightening of the skin of the feet. Yeah, yes. No, it's not the face, but I have to take care of my feet just like I take care of my face. Okay, yeah, so you can try it out. So that is why I'm going in with the gloves, just to ensure that I'm cleaning and cleaning. Can you imagine at the end of it all, like how these feet are going to get into my bed sheets looking so smooth, pretty, soft, like just yeah, can you imagine? Yeah, just some pampered feet looking good and pretty. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe. It really means a lot to my channel. Like it gives me the motivation, because I know like I'm helping so many people to take care of their feet, because so many people in the world at the same time are struggling with cracked heels, dry feet and heels and all that. So I don't want you, Fred, to be one of them. So please, if you can be able to do this on yourself, try it. And it is not something which is very hard to do. This is something that you can do at home. And I'm saying don't forget your nails. So this is how I clean mine with the gloves. You can use any method that you wish, or any way that you yourself you wish. Yeah, I'm playing with the foam, the water. Like this just feels so good to me. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section. How do you feel about this? Because for me, I'm having fun. I think that I'm having peace doing this. So just clean until you're satisfied, and that is the good thing about DIYs, because you do it until you are satisfied or you are okay with the process. Yeah. And then I'm going in with a very soft brush. This brush is very soft, but it really gets the work done. So this is just to clean the nails, to ensure that the places that the gloves could not get in, the brush is going to get in, and just to remove the dirt, to ensure that even if the polish has stayed for some few days or weeks, it's still looking good. Yeah, and super clean. Okay, yeah. So thank you for being here. If you have come this far, check out my channel for more videos like this. So at this point, I feel like my feet were clean, they are soft, they are looking good. I'm already amazed by the process. So the only thing that is remaining is to moisturize my feet. At this point, I decided, let me not just moisturize my feet, because I need to get into the bathroom and clean my body. So as I moisturize my body, that is when I'm going to moisturize my feet. So thank you for being here. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. Until my next video, see you. Enjoy. Look at those feet. I know, right? Yeah, they're looking so good. The nails the same case, and I'm happy that I've done this. Let me know in the comment section, were you doing it with me? Would you try it out? Because this will be a game changer. You don't wanna fail to do this. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this. Bye bye.